up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math, we are doing multi-digit addition. We're going to add problems that look like that. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you can. Also, go to the description. I have notes that are there. You can download them, print them out if you have a printer at home, and follow along. Otherwise, a regular old notebook would do. Might be helpful. What is multi-digit addition? Well, when we add really large numbers, it requires careful place value alignment. Notice that when we multiply or when we add numbers, we make sure everything is stacked to the right like it already is. Line up the digits by place value, the ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, and the hundreds with the hundreds, and if there's more, thousands, 10,000, so on and so forth. Add from the right to the left. Regroup when the sum is 10 or more. Sum means if I add up two numbers and I get 10 or more, I'm going to keep my regular number there, but then add an additional 1 with the next group. So what would that look like here with 956 plus 57? Go to the ones first and add them up. 6 plus 7 is 13, but only write down the 3. What about the teen part? You carry it over, okay, to the next place value. Now I have 1 plus 5 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11, again, over 10. So we'll put the 1 there and then add the 1 up there, carry it over. Now I have 1 plus 9, which is 10. So that is a 0 and a 1. And I end up with 1,013. Okay? So you saw addition in 4th grade. None of this should be new if you were in 4th grade math. We're just including larger numbers this time around. We're going to be going up to the millions today. So let me show you a bunch, and then you're going to practice a few on your own. All right? 910 plus 40. Start with the numbers on the right first. This is going to be really difficult. 0 plus 0, 0. Move on to the next one. 1 plus 4 is 5. 9 plus nothing is 9. 950. No carrying over ones, nothing crazy like that. Easy peasy. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Once again, no regrouping. Nothing was over 10. No carrying over. Nothing to worry about. Easy peasy. Not going to be the case here now. I've got 3,901 plus 719. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So you write down the 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Move on to the next one. 9 plus 7 is 16. So write out the 6 and carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And we end up with 4,620. Okay? All right. 4 digits plus 4 digits, same rules apply. 1 plus 9 is 10. So write out the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So write out the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, so write out the 9, nothing carries over. 7 plus 1 is 8, and I have 8,950. Okay. 5 digits plus 4 digits, same rules apply. 7 plus 2 is 9. Great, nothing carries over. 1 plus 7 is 8. Awesome. Nothing carries over. 0 plus 1 is 1. Nothing carries over. 6 plus 8 is 14. So write out the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write out that 2. We have 24,189. All right. Moving on. 5 digits plus 5 digits, same rules apply. 3 plus 6 is 9. Nothing carries over. So this happens every now and then. I'm in my classroom, and my lights just went out. So now we're doing spooky math for the next 10 minutes. So spooky math time. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write out your 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So write out your 8. Move on to the next one. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write out your 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 4 is 6. And we end up with, put a comma there, 66,839. Ooh, 6 digits plus 6 digits. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Nothing carries over. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write out 8. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Write out your 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Write out 13. And we end up with 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1,378,440. Nice. A millions plus a millions. Let's see what happens. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Write out the 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write out your 8. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Write out your 6. Nothing carries over. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write out your 13. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 13,684,631. So I would like you, there's going to be 4 of them. So I believe there's 4 of them. Let's double check. Yep. So I would like you to do the next 4 problems, pause the video, check your work, come back, see if you got the right thing. Pause it now. Welcome back. 2 plus 6 is 8. Nothing carries over. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Write that out. Nothing carries over. 3 is just all alone. 3,408. Let's do a 5-digit plus a 5-digit. 3 plus 6 is 9. Nothing carries over. 5 plus 1 is 6. Nothing carries over. 1 plus 7 is 8. Nothing carries over. 0 plus 9 is 9. Nothing carries over. And 8 plus 15 is 13. Write out the 13. 1, 2, 3, comma, 139,869. If you got them right, leave a comment. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out this 5th grade YouTube thing. Oh, 6 digits plus 6 digits. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write out the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Write out the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write out your 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Write out your 5. Nothing carries over. 0 plus 8 is 8. Nothing carries over. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. 785,823. Now we have a millions plus a millions again. Here we go. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write out your 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Write out your 7, nothing carries over. 9 plus 8 is 17. So write out your 7, carry over a 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write out your 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Write out your 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Nothing carries over. And then, I don't know why I accidentally put that mark there. You'll see in a second. 6 plus 8 is 14. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 14,540,773. Scary math. A library bought 13,478 new books and already had 766,925 books. Look at that spooky library for spooky math. How many books are there now? All right, well, let's add them up. Make sure we line up everything. So 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Make sure you put the 5s in the 1s. The 2 goes there. The 9 goes there. 6, 6, 7. I'm not saying it. All right. So we're going to add these up. Let's get a different color marker for once. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write out 3. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Write out your 8. Nothing carries over. Drop down to 7. So we've got 1, 2, 3, comma. How many books are there now? 780,403 books. With an S. That's a lot of books. So that's that. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment, like I said. Watch my other 5th grade math videos. Watch some 4th grade math videos just to bring back those fun, happy memories from last year. Thanks for watching. Bye.